Trello Dropshipping Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Trello and recommended alternatives are in the description. Let's get straight to the point. Trello is a visual project management tool that can help dropshippers streamline their operations, organize tasks, and collaborate more efficiently. While it's not designed specifically for dropshipping, it's a highly adaptable tool that can be used for managing your store, tracking orders, coordinating suppliers, and organizing marketing campaigns. It operates on a card and board system, allowing you to easily manage workflows, track progress, and keep everything organized. Who is it for? Trello is perfect for dropshippers who need to stay organized, especially if you're managing a small team or running your business solo. Whether you're tracking product orders, handling customer service tasks, or scheduling marketing campaigns, Trello's customizable boards and cards make it easy to break down your tasks and keep everything in one place. Key features include task organization with boards, to-do lists and checklists, calendar view for scheduling, team collaboration, and integrations with tools like Google Drive and Slack. Now the strengths. The main strength of Trello lies in its simplicity and flexibility. You can create boards for every aspect of your dropshipping business: product sourcing, inventory management, ad campaigns, customer support, and customize each board with lists and cards for specific tasks. The drag and drop functionality makes it easy to update tasks and deadlines. Trello is also great for collaboration, allowing you to assign tasks to team members and track their progress. With integrations to other platforms like Shopify, you can automate and sync data across your systems. Additionally, Trello offers a free plan, making it an accessible option for small dropshipping businesses. Weaknesses. Trello does not handle product sourcing, order fulfillment, or inventory management. It's strictly a task management tool. While it can help you organize your workflow, it won't automate tasks or directly improve your marketing or sales efforts. The free plan has limited features, and you may need to upgrade to access more advanced functionalities like automation and reporting. Additionally, Trello's simplicity means it lacks some of the advanced project management features found in other tools, which may be a drawback for larger teams or complex operations. Final verdict: Trello is a great tool for dropshippers who need an efficient way to stay organized and track tasks. However, it's not a complete dropshipping solution. If you need product sourcing, fulfillment, or sales tools, check the links in the description for better alternatives. If you're looking for a simple, customizable task management tool to streamline your dropshipping operations, Trello is definitely worth considering.